Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send crypto from the Coinbase app. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now, to send the crypto, simply tap onto the three dot lines at the top left corner, just like this. Then here you can find the option of send. Simply tap on it. Now tap onto the search bar which is showing the email address and invoice. Now simply tap on it. Now type the email address that you want to send the crypto to, just like this. And after that, the email address will be shown, and simply tap on it. And after that, simply send it. And that's it. This is how you can send the crypto from the Coinbase app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.